If you want to know how to put on the Omni Ice pulse compression pads, you came to the right spot. We're going to show you how to do it step by step, fast and easy. Hi, it's Steve from MyColdTherapy and Supply Cold Therapy, where we help people get back to living. If you're new here, make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button and all the links to everything we mentioned in the video, where you can find linked in the description box below. Now let's jump right into it. Compression cold therapy is an awesome way to help relieve your pain and swelling after surgery, injury, or just a hard day of being a weekend warrior. So what is the Omni Ice Pulse Compression Cold Therapy System? Well, this is an advanced device which integrates targeted cold therapy with pulse compression to optimize recovery and reduce inflammation. It's particularly beneficial after post-operative care, training room situations, and just for home use. It's setting the standard of care across the industry. Now, Michelle, please take us through the application process for the pads of the Omni Ice Pulse Compression System.
The first thing we need to do is make sure that the pad you ordered is correct. You would do this by looking at the pad to find the white label which denotes the pad type. Next, the universal protocol for cold therapy is 20 minutes on, 20 minutes off. Also, please make sure to check with your doctor for any other instructions while you're using the cold therapy device, just to be on the safe side. Also, ask the doctor how to check your skin and the duration they want you to use the cold therapy machine. Now we're going to show you how to apply the Omni Ice Pulse Plus Compression ankle pad. First, you're going to remove the pad from the resealable bag. Once you remove it, unfasten the straps and open up the pad. You're going to fold the pad over and connect these two pieces here. And when you do that, you'll notice that it forms like a boot. Once you've done that, you're ready to put it on your ankle. Once you've got it in place, pull this top piece around, tighten it to where it's comfortable, then pull the top piece around the toe part. After you've done that, take the hose from the cooler and connect it to the hose on the pad. Make sure the little notch on the hose from the cooler matches to the notch on the pad. Once you've done that, you're ready to begin your therapy.
Thank you, Michelle, for that great explanation. Now that you know how to use your compression cold therapy machine, let me know in the comment section below if you found this video helpful, and do give us a like. And also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and let's get back to living.